Sunlight filters through the dense jungle canopy as Mittu, a vibrant green parrot, surveys his verdant domain. His melodious song echoes, a symphony of the wild, alerting the jungle's inhabitants. His melodious song echoes, a symphony of the wild, alerting the jungle's inhabitants. Monkeys, deer, and even a coiled snake pause, heeding Mittu's warning call, a signal of unseen dangers. In a jungle clearing, a hunter, sweat-slicked and driven by greed, scans for prey, his eyes gleaming with avarice. High above, Mittu's vibrant plumage flashes against the dense green as he watches the hunter set a deceptive trap. Mittu's sharp eyes pierce the deception. Greed always leads to harm, he declares, a warning to the avaricious hunter. In a sun-drenched jungle clearing, Mittu gracefully descends, scattering rice grains with his beak, sabotaging the hunter's trap. Hey, hunter! A wise bird cannot be caught with greed, Mittu calls out, his gaze piercing the dense foliage. The hunter emerges, shame etched on his face. I was wrong. I promise, I will never harm another bird.